Hello ladies and gentlemen, my name is Black Cap and this is a video, we guess. So, we had no idea what to make for today. Not a single clue. And like, our brethren just left the house and we were like, so what should we do for a video today? And he was like, I don't know. And I was like, well, why don't I just eat some Pringles on camera? And he was like, and I was like, you know what? I'm gonna eat some Pringles on camera. It's nice, quick as easy. Don't have to put any thought into this video. Just a nice little quick video. Oh, and just in case any of you think I am, I'm not. But hey, now I'm moving on to the chocolate bonbons. Because, you know, I have something to start with. I have something sweet. Remember that from Orange is the New Black. But anyway, I've pushed this video to just about 2 minutes. Outro should make it about 2 minutes 30. And I feel like that's enough. Hopefully we'll see you tomorrow with something a bit more creative. Auf Wiedersehen. If you like the video, please subscribe. If you didn't like the video, please subscribe and then unsubscribe. If you like the video, click like. If you didn't like the video, please click like and then I don't know. My friend told me that my outro was boring and crap and that I should stop it. And so this is what he gets. You're welcome. Blame Jack Hines. He lives at 22